Hi, I'm Vance. I'm 7 years old. Hi! I like to hot glue and make stuff in my art space. When I first started woodworking, I was 2. And when I was 1, that was the first time I've ever touched sandpaper. I actually got it cut. My skin was soft. My favorite project was restoring a screwdriver. I put it on the lathe and polished it. A lathe. That's my favorite tool. Here's some tools that I haven't used but I do wish to use in the future. Is the plasma cutter and the table saw, because those are the only tools that I haven't used and they seem fun. And then all the other tools I actually have used, because I really want to try those tools. My favorite to watch. On the plasma cutter, I would make a broomstick. I've worked in my friends workshop because I've just used his drill and stuff. I once had my homeschool group here and they came to make stuff and it was fun. You got to glue and screw together like a building. My favorite woodworkers on YouTube are Paul Mant and Paul Jackman the Kid. Wait, let's not leave out Andy Berkey.
Hey, Andy Berkey, give me a minute, episode 25.
Those are my favorite woodworkers of them all. I'd make some broom bristles from a broomstick. No, I think I might make a gas-powered remote control car. Me and Joey are planning on making one of those. I've made a drum kit out of a record player and I've made a marimba. I would build a box out of other pieces of cardboard. And believe me, I've made jewelry boxes like that. It is fun. I could already do that, but I'd still do it in the future. Ooh, if I could also do anything in the world, I would make a bowl in the lathe. When I grow up, I want to be a dirt bike driver, a quad driver, and a UTV driver. These are waterproof?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now they smell good and awesome. Woo!